In this video, I'll show you how you can fix your Roblox account manager if it's not currently working. Now, what you want to do first is you want to go to apps and features, search for your Roblox, and then you want to uninstall both of these. So click on them, uninstall. Then what you want to do is you want to head over to roblox.com, go find a game, just any game, and then you want to press the play button, and then this will relaunch your Roblox and install all the necessary files. Now, if it's still not working, what you can do is find your Roblox account manager, right click on it, go to properties, come into compatibility, and from in here you want to check on this, check this, and check these. Run this program in compatibility mode, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as an administrator. Click apply, click OK. Now this should hopefully fix your issue, guys. Now if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.